This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kalkenhon kipulit naka Special Investigation Team SIT kabatokit ya kajingja sa penyap Raja Raghuvanshi kalayalam tian bisyar biang yau Shillong James u Lokendra Tomar Singh bat yau Billa au Herwar hakmat kayeng kashari hakajan miet jongga artari unaitung araja arpusan kini gilaingot kila syakam naga jing persyang ban bori iki sakhi sabut hakajing tokit ya ka kampenyap yau raja kabla kedau don kti da kasonam bat uraj Singh Kushwaha u Vishal Singh Chauhan u Akash Rajput baru Anand Kurmi Shilom James uday unang penway ya kayeng kabala riet da kasonam haswa bakan pet na indoor sa Uttar Pradesh kabau Billa uday security guard ubala yarap yau James ban bori ya kisabot kabau Lokendra pat uday try katay kayeng.
The accused Shillong James, Billa and Lokendra, they were produced before the Honorable Court today after their police custody is over today. So IU has prayed for 14 days judicial custody, and after hearing at length by the prosecution side, I appeared, and from legal aid Mr. Sudip Rana appeared. So after hearing at length, court has remanded Shillong James 14 days judicial custody and other two accused, that is Lokendra and Billa, for 7 days judicial custody.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Rak Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.